Hey everyone! Have you ever stared at yourself in the mirror, wondering if there's a simple way to sculpt the body you've always dreamed of? What if I told you that transforming your body could start right now, with push-ups? Not just any push-ups, but the kind that can shock your muscles and ignite your metabolism like never before. Sounds crazy? Stick with me for the next few minutes, and I'll reveal how these push-ups can turn your entire physique around in just weeks. You see, push-ups aren't just some basic exercise you did in school gym class. They are the secret weapon fitness experts use to build strength, tone muscles, and boost confidence. And here's the craziest part. You don't need fancy equipment, you don't need a gym membership, and you don't need to spend hours working out. Imagine sculpting rock-hard arms, a defined chest, and a rock-solid core from right in your living room. That's the power of properly done push-ups. But here's the key. Not all push-ups are created equal. To really see results fast, you need to do the right kinds. The variations that challenge your muscles in new ways. Standard push-ups to build baseline strength, diamond push-ups to blast your triceps, wide arm push-ups for that chiseled chest, pike push-ups to hit those shoulders and core like crazy. Mixing these up in a focused routine will shock your muscles to grow faster. I remember when I started, I was skeptical. Could push-ups really make a difference? But after just 2 weeks, I noticed my arms looked stronger, my posture improved, and most importantly, my confidence soared. That feeling of seeing your body change right before your eyes, it's life-changing. And here's the secret sauce: consistency. Do these push-up variations every other day, rest, fuel your body well, and watch what happens. In fact, if you commit to this for just 4 weeks, you'll be shocked at how your body transforms. The fat melts away, the muscles pop out, and you'll stand taller, prouder, and more energized every single day. So what are you waiting for? Grab a mat, drop to the floor, and start pushing yourself today. Comment below and tell me which push-up variation challenges you the most. I want to see your progress. Hit that like button if you want more quick, powerful workouts that fit your busy life. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly fitness hacks that actually work. Remember, your best body is just a few push-ups away. Let's get it.